jump, guys. Welcome, guys. So 226 invert binary tree, and okay, so let me explain. Basically, the code, the goal is to invert the binary tree. So for example, you see this 4, so you need to invert. So you need to invert the left and right. So you should move this 796 to the left. 796, and then you exchange the right and left, and after that you need to exchange the right and left. So you need to exchange this 6 to 9 and 3 to 1. Okay, so the process is that basically we invert a right tree, and then we invert a left tree, and then we let a left to be right and the right to be left. Okay, so I will let me say that again. So I invert this subtree, and I change the left tree to be right tree and the right tree to be left tree. Okay, so once you understand, basically we first call recursion. First invert the right tree, and then we invert the left tree, and then after that we let the right tree and the left tree to combine to make a final inversion. So I let the left to be right to be left. Okay, so that's it. So that's basically, you understand the philosophy, then you can solve it. Okay, I will see you guys in other videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.